Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? Today is fundraising, this Saturday, the 20th of August 2025. Please, as you are just joining or whenever you're going to have access to this video, I will encourage you to like the video, please. I would like you to like the video and share it to many groups of your choice, your WhatsApp groups, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, anywhere. Please share it so that you get to many people, and make sure you like the video, of course. And I would like to see your comments to know what is your take on what you're about to do. This video is all about a USB cabinet member, our own brother Christopher Okenwa, who managed to write an open letter to, Kemi Badenoch, the lady that is one of our own African sister that is from, I think, Yoruba descent. I think, or some people say that she has mixed race, Igbo and Yoruba, but I'm not here for that though. So this open letter is for her from a cabinet member from United States of Biafra. He had drafted this letter just to seek for support and assurance, because as she pursued her political ambition in the United Kingdom, that Biafrans are willing to throw support, to throw their support to her so that she will be successful as a sister. In return, that's something we Biafrans also, would like to draw her attention to. So that's what the letter is all about. And make sure you pay attention to that. Please make sure you like the video, like I always say. It doesn't cost you anything. So let's go straight to the program. Now, he says, "Dear Right Honorable Miss Kemi Badenoch, as you pursue your candidacy to become the next Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, I write to respectfully urge you to place the decolonization of Nigeria and at the forefront of your political vision. You have rightly acknowledged that Nigeria remains a deeply troubled entity. It is instability and injustice rooted in the unfinished legacy of colonialism. This imposed construct has not only stifled genuine progress, but has also caused profound harm and trauma to millions, including yourself. On behalf of the people of Biafra, whose homeland remains under the occupation of Britain's colonial creation, historically known as Negro land, and today called Nigeria, we seek your assurance that under your leadership, decolonization and the recognition of the United States of Biafra, successor to the Republic of Biafra, will be given priority. That is our Biafran independence and freedom will be given priority. So, a kind of, like I told you, this is a kind of request. What Biafra would love to see from her, if she can also do that. But in terms of supporting her and throwing their support, Biafrans in UK, that they will do their best to do so. In return, we assure you that government of Biafra, together with the thousands of Biafrans residing in the United Kingdom, will stand firmly behind your political ambition and lend their full support to your vision for a major, just, and liberated future. We respect and anticipation, Christopher Okenwa. This is the write-up, from that our brother, and everything. This is the lady herself, Kemi. This is Kemi that Maz Okenwa, is talking about, or was talking about in that write-up there. And people have, of course, reacted on that as well. As you know, Biafrans don't joke with this kind of thing, because every genuine Biafrans, anywhere there's light, they can dictate it sharply. So Eric said, can anything good come from Nazareth? Seems a waste of time counting on this fellow. You don't just judge a book by its cover, and you don't know better than Okenwa. So I think what he did there is right. Is right. You just knock. You never know. You never can tell. The woman is one of the people that if you ask Nigerian government, one of their enemy, they will point at her. Keep it up, brother. Somebody said that is running. Ronnie said, Ronnie Mado Abuchi, Madochi. I said, God bless you for your good work. His history will be kind to you. Exactly. Aka ekwem. I don't understand what this brother's name. Ekumeku. Okay. Not when she is in service of the empire of the empire. She will act according to the dictated of the dictated of the British Empire. Maybe your oppressor cannot give you freedom. Get some sense. Yeah, so yeah, this one is talking rubbish. What you need to understand is that diplomacy is not about your. Once you can do just do what is good, and leave the rest for God. I think when you show that you can, your stand, you can protect your territory, you can. When they see some of the things from you, you don't need much people to acknowledge you. How long, like when Ojukwu declared Biafra, how long did it take him to receive some recognition? Not that much, because Biafrans was showing, their readiness and their willingness to protect their land, like they are up and doing. You don't need to beg. Just imagine if you are carrying flags up and down in every corner, so in every street in Europe, nobody will have time for to recognize you. It's not possible. But by the time you show that you can protect yourself, you understand. That is what actually matters. But if you cannot, you are talking to yourself. Daniel said, whoa, what a great awareness. That's another thing. Some people don't even know that. The Oyenka also. Pig fooling. What do you mean pig fooling? I hope she do so destroying Zoo Nigeria. That's from Doze. So another person say you are a moron, begging an Afonja to help you. You breed from your, some of our people have problem, to be honest with you. As if you can also do, okay, since you don't believe what he, and he not try this to, with knowing for a fact or relying on the response from Kemi. No, that's not what it means. But at least drawing her attention to what is on ground. That you don't just, this is what you can offer. This is what if you give me this, I will give you that. Even when Tinubu's son approached Mazamukano's family, just because they want election to take place in Biafra land. What was the agreement? We are going to allow the election to take place, but you have to release Mazamukano after when your father will probably win the election. That was the agreement. Mazamukano's family reached that agreement with what is the name of this guy? What is the name of this Tinubu's son? Sheyi Tinubu. And it was after his election and when after the swearing in and everything, what happened? Mazamukano's family began to cry out, "Oh, you did not even remember us anymore. You did not even care about us anymore." That kind of thing. That is exactly what you may see but you have to give a try. So, but that one is a different bargain, because to me, whoever that felt that Tinubu and his son will somehow succumb to this kind of agreement, you must be a joker. But when it comes to Kemi here, Kemi Badenoch, her own is different. She has been giving, buzzwords to Nigerian government. Okay, that even some Nigerian politicians are trying to, looking for how to attack her. Or the Fanaka, the woman, the guy will be in jail by now. If you know, you know. So don't attack the messenger. If you think that the message is not okay, you can also write your own and address anyone that you think that will be of help. Many of you believe that contacting Russia will be of help, right? How many of you have actually write this kind of message to Russian president? How many of you think about it? So it's not about jumping on people's effort, clapping on the, trapping on that, and making sure that you crumble everything because you want to talk, you want to prove that the person is not getting it right, whereas you yourself cannot do anything. So what is different between you and the why is this is what they know how to do. Attacking people that is doing what you yourself cannot do. All right, please make sure you like the video and tell me what to think about it. Are you in support of what our brother said here, Christopher Okenwa, or you are like some of the people in the comment section yapping nonsense about it? Let's hear from you, and please share it so it will get to other people. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Before you go, please like the video, like I said, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye for now.